My dear students, now today I want to start a new chapter, application of integration. Here in this problem, by the method of intuitive, area bounded by the curve y is equal to fx, x-axis, and the coordinate axis x is equal to a and x is equal to b can be determined by using the integration in this way. Area of region PQRS. This is a y is equal to graph of y is equal to fx, and area of the region PQRS is equal to. Now what do you observe? If the breadth of this strip is dx and this is y, then area of this ACBD strip is y into dx. Keep in mind this concept, this intuition. We have a to b y dx. We integrate it from a to b, and area of this strip is y into dx, and y is equal to fx dx. So, area of this region SPQRS is a to b fx dx. Now, in case second, the area of the region bounded by the curve x is equal to gy and y axis, and the lines y is equal to c and y is equal to d is given by c to d x dy. Instead of x we write gy dy. To solve problem of area, you must remember the result of root over square root of a square minus x square dx. It will be x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. So my dear students, now applying this formula, we can find the area of this region, which is bounded by the graph of the curve x is equal to gy, y is equal to cd, y is equal to c, y is equal to d, and y axis. Now I want to solve some problem, some standard problem by using integration. My dear students, before starting to determine the area of the simple curve, bounded curve, you must remember the formula of this integration, root over a square minus x square dx. Suppose you have to find the area of this circle, and the standard form of the equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now whole area enclosed by the given circle is 4 times the area of the region bounded by A, B, O, A. That is 4, 0 to A. A is the radius, 0 to A, y dx, taking vertical axis. So, it will be 0 to A root over a square minus x square dx, and 4 times of the area of the first quadrant, because all are symmetrical. About a figure is symmetrical about x and y axis. So now the integration of root over a square minus x square dx is x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a 0 to a, and it will be a by 2 root over a square minus a square by 2 sin inverse a by a minus 0, 4 into a square by 2 sin inverse 1, 4 into a square by 2 into pi by 2, that is pi into a square units. Now alternatively you can solve this problem in this way. You area of circle, you may write in this way: 4 into area bounded of the region OABO, that is 4 into 0 to a x dy. This is x and this is dy. So, if the orientation of this figure is in this form, now this figure is formed by the displacement of this strip on y-axis also. So now you can write 4 into 0 to a root over a square minus y square dy. That is y by 2 root over a square minus y square plus a square by 2 sin inverse y by a, and 4 into a by 2 into 0 plus a square by 2 sin inverse 1 minus 0. So 4 into a square by 2 into pi by 2, that is pi a square units. So now I want to solve problem number 2. Find the area enclosed by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Since x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, so y is equal to plus minus b by a root over a square minus x square. The area of bounded region A, B, A dash, B dash, A of the ellipse is equal to 4 times the area of the region O, A, B, O. So my dear student, it is 4 into 0 to a y dx, and y is what? B by a root over a square minus x square. As the region AOBA lies in the first quadrant, so we consider here root over a square minus x square. So now this formula of root over a square minus x square is x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square 2 by sin inverse x by a 0 to a. 4b by a by 2 into 0 plus a square by 2 sin inverse a by a minus 0. 4 by ba into a square by 2 sin inverse into 1. 4ab by 2 into pi by 2, that is pi ab square units. So alternative method is, now this figure is formed by displacement on y-axis. So the area of ellipse is equal to 4, 0 to b x dy. 4 into a by b, 0 to b root over b square minus y square dy. 4a by b, y by 2 root over b square minus y square plus b square 2 sin inverse y by b. 4a by b, b by 2 into 0, b square by 2 sin inverse b by e minus 0. 4a by b plus b square by 2 sin inverse 1, that is 4ab by 2 into pi by 2, that is pi ab square units. My dear students, these problems are very, very important for the purpose of MCQ also. If the value of minor and major both axes are given, then you can easily find the area of this ellipse. So you must remember the general formula also. Area of the ellipse is equal to pi ab square unit. Now my dear student, find the area bounded by the parabola y square is equal to 4x and its lattice rectum. So it is also a general problem, and it is also very, very important for the purpose of examination for multiple type of question also. My dear student, it is the general form of the parabola y square is equal to 4x, which is symmetrical about x-axis. And now x is equal to a is the equation of the lattice rectum, x is equal to a. So required area is equal to area of LO L dash O, that is twice of area LOSL. So 0 to a y dx, and y is equal to root x, y is equal to 4, that is 2 root x. So you may write y is equal to twice root ax. So my dear student, after solving the problem, 4 into root a, x 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, 0 to a. So 4 into 2 by 3 root a, x to the power 3 by 2 0 to a. That is 8 root a by 3 a to the power 3 by 2. So it is 8 by 3 a half a 3 by 2. That is 8 by 3 a square units will be the area of this bounded region, which is bounded by the latus rectum and the vertex of the parabola. My dear student, now I want to discuss also some more general problem. Find the area enclosed by the parabola y square 4x and the chord y is equal to mx. Chord y is equal to mx, whatever the value of m. So you must remember the result of the general formula by remembering the result of the general formula. You can find the value of, you can put the particular value of m and you can get different result. The given equation are y square is equal to 4x and y is equal to mx. So my dear student, in this problem we want to find the intersection of the line and curve. How will you get the intersection? Here y is equal to mx. So put the value of y in equation first. It will be m square x square 4x, m square x square minus 4x, x into m square x minus 4a. Either x is equal to 0 or m square x minus 4a is equal to 0. This implies m square x is equal to 4a. X is equal to 4a by m square. So point of intersection of parabola and chord are 0, 0 and 4am square by 4, 4am. So required area is equal to area O B A M O minus area of triangle OAMO. Area of triangle OAMO. This is area of the triangle OAMO. So now we integrate 0 to 4am square for the parabola and 0 to 4am square mx dx. Y is equal to y of line, you may say. Y of line. So mx dx. So now 0 to 4am square is equal to twice root ax dx minus 0 to 4am square mx dx. It will be twice root a 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 0 to 4am square and minus mx square by 2 0 to 4am square. So after solving we have 4 root a by 3 into 4a by m square whole to the power 3 by 2 minus m 4am square whole square by 2. It will be 4 root a 4 root 3 by 2 4 to the power 3 by 2 into 8 to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 m square whole to the power 3 by 2 minus m 16a square m to the power 4 into 2. So it will be 4 a half plus 3 by 2 into 2 square whole to the power 3 by 2 into 3 into m cube minus m by 2 16a square m to the power 4. This implies 4 square into 8 by 3 m cube minus 8 square m cube, and after solving it will be 8a square 3m to the power cube square unit. So if the value of a and m are given, then you can solve particular problem also. So my dear student, you must remember this result. Now it is problem number 5. Find area of the smaller region bounded by the ellipse x square a square plus y square b square is equal to 1 and the straight line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. It is also important for MCQ type of question. Given equations are x square a square plus y square b square by 1 and other is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, and from equation first we have y is equal to plus minus b by a root over a square x square, and from equation second we have b by a within the bracket a minus x. So required area between x square a square plus y square b square is equal to 1, and the x-axis from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a, minus area between the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, and the x-axis from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. पूरा इस पार्ट का एरिया कहाँ से कहाँ तक, एरिया ऑफ द इलिप्स फ्रॉम 0 to a, and you will subtract it from area of the triangle from 0 to a. You will get the area of the bounded region, shaded region. So now y of the ellipse is equal to b by a root over a square minus x square dx, minus 0 to a b by a minus x dx, and the formula of root over a square minus x square is x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. That is minus b by a ax minus x square by 2 0 to a. My dear student, I have told several times that you should know the result of the formula root over a square minus x square. You should know its derivation also. So now we put here the limit, and it will be a root over a square minus a square. Put x is equal to a. It will be a square minus x square, that is a square minus a square. A square by 2 sin inverse a by a minus 0. B by a minus a square by 2 minus 0. So my dear student, b by a square 2 sin inverse 1 minus b by a square minus a square by 2. B by a square sin inverse sin pi by 2. B by a into a square by 2. AB by 2 into pi by 2 minus AB by 2. So pi AB by 4 minus AB by 2 square units. Now my dear student, we want to solve problem number 6. Find the area bounded by the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, and the line y is equal to x in the first quadrant. Given equations, x square plus y square is equal to a square and y is equal to x. Putting y is equal to x from second into first, we get x square plus x square is equal to a square, twice x square is equal to a square, and x is equal to plus minus a by root 2. So this is also important for MCQ questions, my dear. Here we have taken x square plus y square is equal to a square. Instead of a square, you can write 16, 25, and make it particular. So this problem is very, very important, and it was asked in the several times in the board examination also. Now, required area is equal to area of OLA, area of OL, this area of OLA plus area of LBAL. So it is 0 to a by root 2 x dx, and a by root 2 to a root over a square minus x square dx. This area, AB arc. So now my dear student, this is x square by 2, 0 to a by root 2, and a by root 2 to a x by 2 root over a square minus x square, x by 2 root over a square minus x square, plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. By putting the value of lower and upper limit and solving, we have the result pi a square by 8 square units. प्रिय विद्यार्थी, यहाँ जो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, इस सवाल को आप 3 बार 4 बार बनाइए, इसके रिजल्ट को याद रखिए, और इससे बहुत सारा सवाल एनसीईआरटी का और दूसरे एग्जाम का भी बनता है. फाइंड द एरिया बाउंडेड बाय द सर्किल एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 16 एंड द लाइन वाई इज इक्वल टू एक्स. दिस इज पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्पल. वाई इज इक्वल टू एक्स in the first quadrant. Here x square plus y square is equal to 16. So put a is equal to 4. Pi a square by 8. Pi 4 square by 8. Pi into 16 by 8. That is 2 pi square unit. That is 2 pi square unit. So my dear student, in this way we can solve the next problem. And this is workout problem of NCERT number 4. Find the area of the region of the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis, the line y is equal to x, and the circle x square y square plus 32. My dear student, in this place we put the radius of this circle is 4 root 2. So we put 4 root 2 square and 4 pi square unit. It was also asked in the board examination. Now, my dear student, I want to solve this very, very important problem. Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 and the ordinates x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a, where b square is equal to a square minus e square and e less than 1. Given equation x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 and x equal to a is the line, x is equal to a is the line. Required area BO B dash RFS B. The required area, this is enclosed by the ellipse and the lines x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means y axis. X is equal to 0 means y axis. So, and x is equal to a, this line, SR. So it will be twice 0 to a y dx. Y dx. The value of y. So it will be twice b to a, 0 to a root over a square x square dx. And this formula is x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x. And upper limit a, lower limit is 0. By putting this value of limit and solving, we have ab e root over 1 minus e square sin inverse e. Sin inverse e. So, my dear students, you must remember this e, 1 minus e square. So, in this way we can solve very, very important problem. Now, my dear students, now you can solve problem number 10. Using integration, find the area of the triangle ABC, whose vertices are A 2, 0, B 4, 5, and C 6, 3. This is the point A 2, 0, it is on x-axis, 4, 5, and 6, 3. You have to find the area of AMCBA. We draw perpendicular from B to x-axis. So the equation of side AB is the equation of the side AB. We will find the equation by applying the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that is y minus 0. Y minus 0, it's x minus 2. X minus 2. So y minus y1 by x minus x1. That is x2 minus x1. X2 is 5. X1 is 2. X1. X2 minus x1. No, y minus y1 by x minus x1 and y2 minus y1. This is y1. X2 minus x1. So by applying this formula, we have the equation of the line AB is y by 5 by 2 into x minus 2. The equation of side BC is y minus 5 by x minus 4 is equal to 3 minus 5 by 6 minus 4. And after solving, we have y is equal to 9 minus x. Similarly, we can also find the equation of the side AC. Side AC. So y minus 0 by x minus 2, that is 3 minus 0 by 6 minus 2. That is y is equal to 3 by 4 x minus 2. Since BL and CM are drawn perpendicular on the x-axis. So area of triangle ABC is area of triangle ALB plus area of trapezium BLMC minus area of triangle AMC. That is 2 to 4y AB dx, 4 to 5y BC dx, minus 2 to 6y AC dx. So it will be 5 by 2, 2 to 4 x minus 2 dx, 4 to 5, 9 minus x dx. And it is x minus 2 dx 2 to 6. And after solving, we have 5 by 2 x square by 2 minus 2x 2 to 4. 9x minus x square by 2 6 to 4 to 6. And minus 3 by 4 x square by 2 minus 2x is 2 to 6. So my dear students, in this way, after putting the value of lower limit and upper limit and solving, we can get area is equal to 7 square unit. This is solution. In this place, I have solved it by subtracting the value of upper limit and lower limit in the result. So in this way we can solve. Now find the area bounded by the line y is equal to x, the x-axis, and the ordinate x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. Ordinate. This is x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. This is the ordinate. This is ordinate. So my dear student, we have to find the area of this shaded region. We have to find the area of this shaded region. Required area is equal to area of ODBO plus area of OACU. And it will be y dx 0 to 2 plus minus 1 to 0 minus y dx. Why it is minus 1? Because it is now downside of this x-axis and it is upside of the x-axis. So it is negative 0 to minus 1, or you say minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0, 0 say 2. So y dx, this is y dx. The 0 to 2, y dx plus area of triangle OACO, that is minus y dx, क्योंकि ये नीचे है x axis का, minus 1 to 0. So my dear student, after adding these two result, we have 0 to 2x dx, minus 1 to 0, minus x dx, x square by 2, 0 to 2, plus minus x square by 2, minus 1 to 0. And after solving it, it will be 5 by 2 square units. In this way, my dear student, today I tried my best to solve the general problem. I hope after watching the video, after taking its notes sincerely, now in next video, I will also solve the important problems and problems from NCERT in next video. Thank you very much. कितना हुआ?